So here we are outside Emma's house. Here comes Emma. Hi, Emma. She's giving us a wave and she's heading off inside. I wonder what she's up to. I have no idea. But she's gone. Oh, hold on. Oh, we've headed back in time again. Here's Emma as a toddler. It's little Emma. Oh, hi, little Emma. You are adorable. Oh, but hold on. This is Emma's room as a teenager. This isn't going to suit a toddler at all. So it is time for us to do some more renovating. If I can get that off. All right, and we'll push that down again. Oh, welcome to LEV Toys. We are going to make over this room into the perfect toddler room for little Emma. So she's going to have to hop out of the way because we've got some major construction to do, or deconstruction first. So we're going to take out, well, just about everything because we don't want a balcony because one, not overly safe for a toddler, and two, it's taking up so much room in her room that there's not enough room to put anything in the room. Except for a bed and a dressing table previously. And we are still going to need a bed, but we're going to need a lot more cool fun things for a toddler than that. So we are taking out basically most of the walls. And, yep, actually, yeah, we'll take these ones out too. And that's pretty much almost a blank canvas to start with. Oh, hold on, we can't use this sticker. So let's turn this wall around because this wall will be right up against the bathroom wall in the house. So we're not going to see the sticker on the outside. And yeah, major construction, reconstruction. And I'm going to put this window right down on floor level because I have a plan for it, but I'm just going to take it out of the way so I can put a bit more wall into the corner here. Otherwise it's going to be a bit tricky to get in. And I think that that's as high as the walls are going to go. That's good. Okay. And we'll build up some of the wall on the other side. I actually don't have many purple bricks, so this is going to be a bit of a mix match bedroom. And I need some inward facing studs because we're going to hang some things on the wall later and none of them come in purple either. So we're going to have these weird white bricks in the wall, but that's fine. Oh yeah, I want to swap this over for the one that has the sticker on it because that's really pretty and that should be on the outside of the room. We'll continue going along the top here. And actually I want another brick up so that the pictures are going to be hanging a bit higher. We'll build the wall out a bit further, put the window here, and it's really grubby, and that'll do for now because I want to get on and start making Emma's bed. Look, there's little Emma. She's coming in to keep an eye on what's happening. So she needs a bed, and I thought little Emma would totally have a princess bed, something really, really pretty and sweet, but in strong colours rather than in pastels because pastels aren't her colours. And I had tried so many things. I wanted the veil that goes over the bed, like a big bed net over the head, and I just couldn't get it to work. So I've decided on some brick built curtains with some little castle-y turrets on the top, princessy totally, and we're going to put a flower right on the top in purple because that's perfect. Now let's see if this fits in the space. It should actually go on either side of the window. That's perfect. It actually frames the window and it will also frame her bed. So her bed will be nestled in amongst the curtains and it will be totally princessy and totally girly. It's just going to be gorgeous. So for a bed, because Emma's a taller toddler and she sleeps really soundly, I decided that she didn't need a bed with a railing on it because she's never fallen out of her bed. So she's going to have a proper kind of bed and it's going to be really comfy. So let's make it all roundy and so pretty. And I've chosen a spotty bedspread for her. I made it out of stickers. And instead of having it just on the top, I've actually made the stickers go all the way around the side so the bedspread is falling down the side of the bed. And I think it looks perfect. Now we just need a pillow, which is kind of pointy, but it looks fantastic. So that looks comfy. Now let's install this in. Let's see if it fits. Oh yes, it does. Look, that's so snug. And it's right in amongst the curtains, but it's got the window behind. So it's still light and airy, but still cozy. There you go, Emma. A perfect new toddler bed for you. Oh, that looks really great. All right. On the wall, a nice big poster. That one's really sweet. I've got a sticker that said, "You make me smile," and that was just right for Emma. And that can be right next to her bed, cheering the room up with its smiley message. And over here, we are going to put some of Emma's toddler pictures. So here's a tree, which I just dropped, which she painted or drew. She drew that and coloured it in. Maybe she painted it. I don't know. I haven't decided. You can tell me in the comments. Do you think she painted that or do you think she drew it and coloured it in? Oh, and here's some more of her little toddler pictures. And here's a little chick that she drew. So her walls are going to be just covered in her artwork because that's what Emma loves to do. Let's see if I can snug these in a little bit more, because underneath where the pictures are, I'm going to put a little teeny side table, a little glittery based one, so that she can put Mr. Bobo, her special teddy bear, on here. He's going to have a special place where she can always find him. So he's her special toy. Now, what other activities is little Emma going to want to do? Well, she's going to need some more toys in this room, and this little mat is where she has got her tea party sets set up. And I love these new teacups and saucer sets. They're just perfect for a little tea party, and a white teapot to go with it, and I have a matching teacup as well. I want more of these. I really need to see them released in sets so that I can collect a whole heap of them. But a tea party all set up on the floor. We'll put some little seats down for her special guests, which are going to be her toys, Mr. Bobo and another special guest who we'll see later. Look at these, look. Come on, Mr. Bobo. You can sit over, oh, hold on, Emma keeps falling over. Let's put this, oh, goodness me. Let's put this back over here and we'll put Emma up, and Mr. Bobo can sit over here where there's actually a cup for him, and she can have a tea party with Mr. Bobo. Now, we're running out of room in this room, so I have a plan for that. First up, I want to make some art supplies because, hello, lots and lots of craft supplies we need for little Emma. That's her thing. So I've got a table here, and here we have got a whole stack of coloured card that she likes to draw on. I'm going to straighten it all up, put it away in here. And on the top is her latest drawing, is like a sad picture of Mr. Bobo with a little sad face. She's just trying out different facial expressions. I want to pop that up just a bit. Now, I have currently not got much room to put this in, so we're going to extend Emma's room by a big white square. And in that case, I'm going to need a bit more wool. So hold on, let's put a bit more wool in first. And then I will use her craft table there, her drawing table, to actually hold these two pieces together. I'm going to need some more inward facing studs for some more artwork to hang on the walls. And I'm going to use this 4 purple piece to hold that on too. That's going to be extra secure now. Nice! Oh my gosh, I'm running out of purple pieces. Here we've got some more artwork by Emma. Absolutely everywhere, all over the walls. And on the top, another picture of Mr. Bobo. She just loves drawing Mr. Bobo in all of his different forms with his facial expressions. We'll put her art table here. And now we've got a bit more room for some more craft activities. So we're going to make a whole craft cabinet, and to do that we need craft supplies. So first up, we're going to put some pens, some pencils and paint brushes all here in this caddy, and we need some paints obviously. So paint pots, there's a red one, a yellow one, and a green one. Would have been sensible to actually get the primary colours, but I wanted a pink one too. And also we need a big pot of glue because there's going to be lots of sticking going on, and some glitter. We've got a purple container of glitter and some gold glitter as well. And what else do you need? We need some scissors, and we need safety scissors. So I actually recolored these scissors into toddler colors and blunted the blades so they're perfectly safe for a toddler. Let's put them in the caddy for now, and I'll decide what I want to do with them later. All right, lots of craft supplies. Let's make a cupboard to put them into, or actually some shelves. So some shelving for the craft supplies, and we'll put the caddy down the bottom where Emma can easily reach all of these things. Oh, the glitter down the bottom, is that a good idea? Putting glitter in the reach of a toddler all the time. I don't know that is a good idea. And up here, we're going to store the glue and all the paints. Going to extend the shelf a bit here. If I put a little clip on there, I can actually put the scissors on down here, and they can hang underneath the shelf, and another little spot for our glue pot, and then we can put all of the other paints up here. She's going to need her mum's help to get the paints down because they are out of reach of a toddler, which is probably a really good idea. So look at that. That is just the best stocked craft shelf ever. It's so exciting. Now, what else do we need? We need some more walls. So let's finish up with our walls around the side. Running very low on purple pieces. We might use a big window. over here. Having to use dark purple pieces now, and I'm going to have to use white too. And some more of the little inward facing stud things to hang some more pictures on. Maybe just one more picture. I'm conserving what purple pieces I have left. That's it. We're all done. Okay, walls are done. Another picture of Bobo. Bobo and his many impressions. Okay, nice big space there now. Let's build another crafting activity table. And this one, well, what else do we need? She likes to sculpt. So this is going to be her Play-Doh table. Let's put some colourful legs on it. Because Play-Doh tables totally have colourful legs. They're just these plastic tables. And they're nice and easy to clean off. So we also need some tubs of Play-Doh. There's a big blue tub of Play-Doh. And a little pink one. Little tubs. And if I put a clip here, I can do something really clever. I've got a plan. And a yellow tub of Play-Doh to go on top of our yellow clip. That's really, oh, is that lid on properly? We don't want the lid not to be on properly or the Play-Doh will dry out. We have got a star cutter to cut the Play-Doh out into shapes. And here's one that she's already been busy molding and playing with. And we also need a rolling pin to roll out the Play-Doh with. We'll put that here on the side. This is so beautifully compact. Her Play-Doh molding table. And did we say that Emma was really responsible? I don't know about that, because over here is some slime that she made and she's just letting it drip all over the floor. Check that out. What a mess she's made. It's lucky it's not carpeted because slime just gets everywhere. It's impossible to get off, but here we go. Play-Doh table with slime. Okay, we'll put it over here in the corner. And where's our slime mess? Let's just tuck this down here on the floor. We can take that in or out. That's the easiest clean up slime ever though. I wish slime was really that easy to clean up. So there we go. Emma's room is almost complete. We just need to put all the smooth pieces along the top with a few little knobbly bits up there to be able to connect the barbecue roof on it above for the house. And her room has actually been extended, so we're going to have to do something about that. But look at that! That's just the cutest little room for toddler Emma. And she can come over here. She hasn't even noticed that slime dribbling everywhere. She's too involved with making her Play-Doh creation. And she can sit on her bed and play with Bobo. Oh, Mr. Bobo, you make me smile. And she can have a tea party with Mr. Bobo, and she only owns one doll because she's not super duper excited by dolls. She's got all her craft stuff. She loves crafting. She loves painting and making. But here comes Stephanie, because you all said that Stephanie should give Emma the Malibu Stacy doll. So Emma says thank you. And Emma's just stored it away here behind her bed for now, but I don't think she's going to open it because I don't think she really wants another doll. But she's having Stephanie over for some tea, for a tea party, a pretend tea party with all of their friends. Oh, and after they're finished having a tea party, they can have a bit of a jump on the new bed just to try out its springiness. Oh, you girls. And Stephanie's okay. Good times with good friends. Now, once Stephanie goes home, more tea party time, and we need to go and check how this is going to fit on the house. So because I have actually extended this, it sticks out kind of weirdly off the side. So I'm going to need to build in underneath and make a little garage maybe, or an eating area, or even a little play area for toddler Emma. So I'm going to have to extend this house again, but that's okay. I have lots of fun extending the houses. Now, a perfect bedroom for little Emma filled with toddler craft activities, and I love her tea party set. Who are we going to make the next toddler room for, and who is going to get that Malibu Stacy doll? Who is it going to be perfect for? You must let me know in the comments. Make sure while you're there you subscribe. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. Did you see Stephanie's toddler room? It was really cute too. And I'll see you with a new video very soon. Bye!